Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and drive video for you on one gorgeous 1965 Pontiac GTO. Now, this beautiful gold car has a black vinyl top and beautiful Hurst wheels, as you can see. Those are just beautiful, awesome wheels. And that red line, Coker red line tire, man, is this car just gorgeous. Just like I like to see them. And it's also just like we all like to see them underneath the hood. 389 tri-power, 4-gear transmission. This car has had long ownership history. It's been at the GTO Nationals. It's been all over the place. GTO shows. This gentleman restored this car, and to me, it's just one of the best ones I've seen. Gorgeous jams. Nice wooden wheel. Interior in this car is all redone. The seats are very, very comfortable. Just the right amount of padding put in them. You can see the sail panels, headliner, rear visors, rear view mirror. Yeah, these seats are just super comfortable. Sit down in them and keys in my back pocket there. They just kind of sink right into them. They're nice. The dash panel is crystal clear, 71,421 miles on the odometer. Sounds great, don't it? Nice little Kinion in it. Pop the hood here. There she is. Really very, very nice underneath the hood. Engine's all painted up like it should be. Exhaust manifolds. Like all the control arms and bushings have been replaced on it. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front. All the glass is beautiful in this car, by the way. Your door gaps, body lines, everything lines up very nice. Just one beautiful 65 GTO. Now, when you run your hand across the paint, it's super slick, super smooth. This is a very, very nicely restored car. I'm going to tell you one thing. There's stickers underneath the hood that said the year 2000. If this car looks this good and it was restored in 2000 or before, I definitely want to talk to whoever restored it, because this thing is absolutely just spotless, beautiful. I'd say it was probably restored maybe a long time ago, and maybe had one more recent refresh, but could be wrong. Feels like this thing's ceramic coated too. Gotta get her cleaned out. Really runs nice, drives good. What a nice car. See how nice the paint is? Check out over top of the hood there. Beautiful car. Car is $69,900. That's right, $69,900. I can't believe it. It's already been priced like that. I'm not going to change it, but we were thinking this car should have been priced at least $79,900, but somebody kind of messed up. That was me. Priced it at $69,900. So that's what the price is, and you're getting one heck of a good car for $69,900. If I didn't have so many cars right now, I'd keep it, especially for that money.